Welcome to Absurdistan, the best country in the world. We have everything you could want, from potatoes over bamboo toothbrushes to luxurious cars and housing. See our beautiful architecture and enjoy our untouched natural forests. So come around to Absurdistan and never leave. Is the camera running? It is. Good. I'm standing here at a protest against the state. Here in Absurdistan, we have no free rights and no free will. The dictator is doing everything in his willpower to shut the free media down. Shit. Are you alright? I think we might have to flee the country. I don't want to be in one of those camps. Let's go. I think this is it.
You sure?
Yeah. I think we made it.
We made it!
I think we did it. We're finally in Europe. Oh, now we just have to find shelter.
Yeah.
And there's so much to do. Come. Are we rolling? Yes, all right. I am so happy to finally be out of Absurdistan. I'm now in Europe, ready to start my new mission, finding the best country for reporters like me. We're now in the beautiful Bosnia, where everything seems so free and diverse. Now at a news office, where I'm ready to find out what the Bosnian people cares about the most. Hi, I'm new here.
Who are you? Who sent you here?
I'm Malika. I sent myself here. I'm from Absurdistan. I'm here to do my job. Maybe I could start reporting about all the people leaving Bosnia, or maybe the recycling.
Who would want to read about that? If you really want to report here, you should read about scandals or stars. I heard a rumor that there's a singer and she got pregnant. Again. Isn't that unbelievable?
Well, I think that maybe those kind of rumors shouldn't overshadow the real greater problems.
Dear, if you really want to work here, you need good connections. So better work on that.
All right, I'll just go to the other countries first. I came here for the freedom of speech, but I don't even want to hear what I have to say. Hello.
Welcome to Mediahub, a safe place to political persecuted journalists.
That sounds great. I'm from Absurdistan and I'm seeking shelter.
Absurdistan, you say?
Yeah.
I hear there is a really tough situation there.
Yeah.
Well, here's your visa. Please go to the waiting room and the colleges will take care of you there.
Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.
Ah, so you're a journalist too. I'm Reginald.
Yeah, I'm Malika. You're a journalist?
Yeah, I've been here for a year. I'm from Russia. Don't get your expectations too high. The visa D means you basically get a shelter, but you're not allowed to work here.
Oh, well, at least we're safe, and the press freedom is much better here than in my home country, Absurdistan.
Yeah, it is, but still, did you know that most of the newspapers and the radio, as well as more than half of the TV reports, are owned by this Scandinavian corporation?
Really? Why so?
Yeah, I don't know. I guess it's still better than the Russian propaganda TV. It was luckily banned a few years ago.
Well, that's good.
Yeah, it's good for Latvia because the EU implied that Latvia is suppressing the freedom of expression.
Yeah, so it's like a question of prestige for them.
Yeah, exactly.
What is wrong with him?
You know, he's been here the longest. Sometimes it can get quite depressing. The whole point of not working, it's just pointless, you know.
Oh. Well, I should get going then. Hi, and welcome to my travel through Europe. Today I'm visiting this beautiful country named Poland. I've interviewed some people already, this old lady, and she said that you watch the news every day and she fully trusts them. But I also interviewed these younger people and they say that the government is not trustable and that they control the media. And I actually did some research on my own and Poland is pretty low on the press freedom index. Oh, what? Yeah, that's right. Now I'm invited to go to report for national TV. See you later.
Okay, get ready. 3, 2, 1, action.
Hi, I'm Malika. I'm from Absurdistan and I'm now reporting live from Poland. Freedom of speech seems to be a really critical not a subject here at all. This is such a great country and anyways, since the communists aren't censoring the press anymore, everyone is free to report anything. Yeah, right. I can't say that.
Okay, now stop it. Cut the camera.
So I went to Germany, but I had to stop because all the roads are blocked.
These fucking terrorists.
Terrorists? What does she mean by that? No one's running away. Let's take a closer look. I'm here now with the so-called terrorists. What are you planning on doing? Are you planning to plant a bomb? Will you do any shootings?
But no, why would we even think about that?
Well, everyone's saying that.
Who says that? No, like we're glued to the ground.
The
We couldn't even do
lady over
something
there.
Like that. Like that.
Couldn't even go up and tell her what to say. So now we're in Sweden, such a peaceful country. Can you tell me about the freedom of speech here in Sweden?
Yes, here in Sweden we have a lot of freedom of speech. Everybody allows you to express your opinion. We live in harmony.
That's amazing.
Yeah, here, let me introduce you to my friends.
Yeah.
Hello everybody, this is Malika.
Hello. Nice to meet you. No thanks. So what could possibly disturb this peaceful country?
Nothing. We're in Sweden.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Nothing.
That's amazing.
Exactly.
Shit, I should probably leave now. This was a very interesting journey. I really learned a lot. I always thought Europe to be this perfect utopia, but it's not. I still much rather be here than back home in Absurdistan though. I can't even express my own opinions without getting a penalty. I hope you guys will continue to support me through my journey to revealing the problems of a reporter. Thank you for watching.
Okay.
Can you hear my stomach growling?
Yeah.
Because it's like...
No, mine too.
Ja, vi kommer bli dödade. Vi kommer bli dödade på flygplatsen.
Yeah, I'm a journalist.
Invited to go to national media TV.